As you already know me, I'm not the guy that keeps saying, oh, buy the new stuff, the new lens, the new whatever. You know, I think that spending money and focusing on gears, defocus yourself from the most important things, which is creativity. I always think that just buy a nice camera that you decide whatever is in your budget, get one lens, maybe two, that you think fit your style, and just go with that one and forever and explore yourself, your heart, whatever. But sometimes you gotta upgrade. Let's see in this video. Hello you guys, this is Laredo Montoneri's channel, and as you know we talk about photography, portrait, fashion, e-commerce, lighting, technique, everything that is about photography. And even in this video we are talking about photography, and I think that you should get maybe the opportunity now in this moment to subscribe if you haven't done yet. If you did, thank you so much, and wait the end of the video to put a like. You know, maybe you may even like twice, you can never know. So a few months ago I had to do this upgrade of my gear, and I was like, how can I know, I mean, if it's the right things, it's something that I really gotta do, or maybe I'm gonna regret. So my first question was like, is this gonna make my work better, faster, maybe more efficient, maybe better quality? So another question was, is this helping me to expand my client portfolio or open up to new work opportunity, or maybe expand my creativity opportunity? So the third was, what about the price? Is it worthwhile? Is it way expensive, or something that it's affordable, or at least they compare the price to the value of the things that it's gonna bring me? So I thought that these one were three enough good questions that could help me better understand if it's worthwhile everything. So I would like to know, you guys, if ever happened to do some kind of purchase like this that ended up being like, oh, I regret, that was just a fashion fad, or in reality then was like, oh, that was cool. And what's the difference, the approach, the idea, why you made it that one, or why you decided not to make it? Write in the comment, thanks. So you're gonna ask, what did you buy? Right, I bought it two flash and two extra flashes that I use mainly for the background. Because usually when I gotta do some e-commerce, or where I need to lit the background separately, I always use total four. Two for main model and two for the back. And the one that I was using for the back were the old one, a little crappy. I know, I didn't buy a Ferrari. I know, maybe everybody was like, oh, let me see what he bought. No, not yet Ferrari, but I'm in the process. But at the moment, just the flash. Here I can show you, I mean, what I mean when I say that the old flash weren't working properly, recharging enough on time, and basically you can see that sometimes it's dark, sometimes it's, you know, the background is uneven. They only few times they flash both together and give me a white background the way I ask. So it may be good for product photography, you know, because you take one shot and then you wait maybe a minute, 2 minutes to fix and take another one. So in that case, of course, they have time to recharge. But when it's fast pacing, you gotta take picture of a person live or a model, and it wasn't working at all. So now let's give a look to the new one. You see, it's all white, kind of even. The way I set up, it's there, doesn't move. And that's what it's supposed to be, which actually is this one. It's also small, it's nice, cute, not that bad. So the answer to my first question, is in making my workflow more efficiency, fast and better quality? Oh yes, definitely. Actually these two flashes also, they have a model light which is 400 watts. It's good because I can use for video also, so there was an extra actually. So the answer to the second question, can this purchase expand the level of service that I can provide to my client, or expanding the opportunity of my creativity? Yes, for sure, because now I have two more tools that I can do better video. So, and then the last question was, what about the price? Is it balancing at least the pros that it's gonna bring in me? Yes, I can say thumb up, which is the same you should do in this video, double thumb up. So the purpose of the video wasn't doing a product placement, because Paul Buff is not gonna pay me anything. They don't even know that I bought it. Actually, they don't even know me. No, the thing is just taking this opportunity to see what's the process we should do before buying something, you know, to better understand if it's really the good things that we can do, or just a waste of money, or just because we need to fill a void that we have, we gotta buy the new gadget, you know. So leave me a comment besides the double thumb up, which is always useful for the artificial intelligence that choose my video, and let me know in your comment what you think and what's your experience about it. And I hope I see you in the next one. I'm sure I'm gonna see you guys. I'll see you in the next one very soon.